Imagine replacing your full-time income, working just 2 hours a day around your schedule, and all you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and social media. My name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. And I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $900 more a day simply by following a 2-hour workday. Okay. So let me just go through my notes. I got some notes here just to make sure that I cover all the points. So what does a 2 hour a day online business look like? Okay. Well, you don't need to quit your job to do this. Okay. You can do your job, like still work your job, but do this around your schedule, like in the nooks and crannies of the day. You just need 1 to 2 hours a day. Okay. And all you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and social media. And we give you this proven blueprint that you can follow that is proven and tested to get results. Okay. And the system that we give you an automated system and it does 90% of the work for you. So you're just doing the 2 hour workday, you're following the blueprint, doing this 2 hour workday, doing simple things like posting content on social media. Basically, that's what we do. And then your automated system does 90% of the work for you behind the scenes. Okay. So all you have to do is just basically show up, plug into our community, follow the trainings, and just be consistent every single day. Okay. And the three tools that you just need your phone. Okay, you need your phone, you need Wi-Fi, and you need social media. That's all you need to do this business. You can use your laptop too, but I do most of my work on my phone. I use my laptop just for like, maybe creating videos, long form videos on YouTube and just other things, checking email. But most of the content that I create, I just use my phone. So phone and laptop, that's all you need. Okay. And social media, which you're already using. So phone, laptop, social media, that's it. And 2 hours a day. Okay. And you don't need any following to do this. Like I've started brand new social media accounts on TikTok, for example. I grew my 3 different accounts to over a thousand followers. And one of my accounts is over like 20,000 followers. And how did I do that? I did that just by posting content consistently every single day. Okay, I post content and I go live. That's all I've done to grow my following from scratch. Actually, I recommend growing your following from scratch if you can, because you're training the algorithms from day one to figure out like who you are, what you do, and who is your perfect customer. So they're going to push your content out to your perfect customer. Okay. All right. And if you can talk, if you can just scroll and talk and post content on social media, then you can do this because that's all you got to do. You just got to post content on social media and you can do talking videos, you can do faceless videos, you can do long form videos. There's different ways to create content and we show you how to do this inside of our blueprint, okay? And how did I make my first $900? Okay, I want to tell you about that. So, how did I make my first $900 online using this program and using this system and by following the blueprint? Okay, so I saw this opportunity online and I saw it on Facebook and I was looking for ways to make money because my company, if you maybe you don't know my story, but my company, they cut my pay in half in 2021. Okay, so my income was cut in half and I didn't have a backup plan. And I wanted to make real money, like really good money. I don't want to work like a 9 to 5. I don't want to be overworked and underpaid. Like I'm done with that. So I went online and I was like looking for ways to make money. Okay. And I just saw someone on Facebook and they were making a post about 100% profit, 2 hour workday, earn up to $600 a day. Because at that time, like the top selling product was 600. They didn't have a $900 product at that time. So I was like, okay, send me the information. But I just wanted to see what kind of digital marketing training they had because I actually had a different business, online business at that time. I just wanted to see what kind of training they had. That's why I initially joined that program. Okay, but then I saw the training was really good and the whole system and setup was really good, so I just started promoting that. Okay. So that was a $600 program. The top selling product was 600, but then last April, okay, back in 2024, if you're watching, maybe you're watching, later, back in 2024, okay, they launched this new program and that's the program that's when we introduced the $900 product, okay? So I got my first $900 sales I got my first sale while I was traveling overseas actually. I was in India at the time and I launched the business in India, like the new business, like the new product, okay? So while I was overseas, I launched that product and all I did to get my first $900 sale, I just followed the blueprint and I was posting content consistently, going live, posting content like 1 to 2 hours a day around my schedule, like we teach the 2 hour workday. And then voila, one day while I was in India, I woke up in bed. I was in my bed. I woke up. I grabbed my phone. I was just looking through my emails. Okay. And then I saw, congratulations, you've made a sale. I was like, what? No way. So I went in, I wanted to see like, okay, how much did I make? And it said, congrats. Congratulations, you've made like $900. You made a $900 sale. I was like, whoa. That was it, guys. That was the first time that I had my first $900 sale. That was last year. I don't remember the month, maybe January. No, because we launched the product. We launched the product in April, so it was after April. I don't even remember exactly what day. I had a $600 sale before that, but my first $900 sale, that was while I was traveling overseas, guys. That's what I love about this. This is a global business. You can do this anywhere, anytime, any place. Okay. And so, yeah, I just posted, all I did was follow the blueprint. Like we teach you the 2-hour workday, like posting 3 pieces of content a day, going live, posting free ads. That's what we teach. Okay. We teach attraction marketing. So that's all I did. I posted 3 times a day. And then my automated system, it's working for me behind the scenes. It did the rest of the work for me. Okay. So that's how I had my first $900 day. And in the final video of this series, in the final video, I'm going to show you how you can start this exact same business, how you can launch your business, get certified, okay, and begin earning 100% profits from day one. So don't miss this next video. Make sure to watch it because I'm going to break down exactly how you can get started with this system, what exactly you need to do to get started. And I'm going to go into more detail and I'm going to show you some behind the scenes stuff. I'm going to show you what the system looks like and exactly what you need to do to get started and what you need to do every day to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.